Welcome, students, to Typing with Professor Slurpuff. This week on the syllabus, we are looking at type advantages and disadvantages for the water type. There are many advantages to having a water type Pokemon on your team. Water type attacks are strong against rock, fire, and ground. Of course, water is strong against fire, since often water is used to put out fires. As for rock and ground, water erodes away at the structural formation of rock and gravel, effectively destroying the types. Moving on, water type Pokemon resist 4 types of attacks, being water, fire, steel, and ice. Since water is used to put out fire, it resists being hit by fire. And water resists water and ice, since they are the same thing, really not causing much damage to it. And finally, water resists steel because water has a malleable shape, one that is able to change easily, so you can't cut or smash it. Steel also rusts in water, losing its effectiveness. And now we move on to the disadvantages of having a water type Pokemon. First off, water types are resisted by 3 types of Pokemon, being water, grass, and dragon. We've already discussed water versus water, so we'll move on to grass, which absorbs water in order to get stronger. And finally, we move on to dragon types, which are represented as magical beings that are made up of the 4 elements, being fire, water, grass, and electricity, so resist these 4 elements. And now we move on to the weaknesses of the water type, with there only being 2, grass and electric. As stated before, grass soaks up water, making it strong against the type. As for electricity, water is a great conductor of it, and the molecules that make up water can easily be broken apart when electricity is introduced. Now to end out this class, I'd like to tell you guys what my favorite water type Pokemon is, which is Corsola, the 2nd generation Coral Pokemon. Now I want to hear from you guys. Why don't you tell me in the comments what your favorite primary water type Pokemon is? Have a great day and see you next class.